Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You click on settings, then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about PixelFlow and you click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.